When bad stuff happens, we cop it all. Always get big when we just want small. When it's dry, it's a drought. Or it never rains, but it pours. You don't want no letters, you got a box full of bills. You're peddling a bike, there's nothing but hills. Put clothes on the line and you can be sure it never rains, but it pours. But if you're after love and kindness and goodwill and care, you know full well those things are rare. You don't want a breeze, it'll blow up a gale. You don't want a drop, you're sure to get hail when you really don't want any more. It never rains, but it pours.